This time we are staying at the Ritz-Carlton. So it's a residence. It is really nice actually. Hubby did very well. It's our first time staying here. I think he probably splurged because we'll be staying here actually on the date of our anniversary. So there's a beautiful lounge area, and then it's actually sunset soon. Oh, that's a nice view. The beach there. And then what's really cool about this room is got a lot of cupboard space. It's got a little kitchenette. How lovely is that? And then we have a little note here. That's really nice. Happy anniversary and mahalo for allowing us to celebrate with you. Please enjoy a special amenity for you that we have placed in the fridge. And then, oh, we have a bottle of champagne. Yes, I think it's from France. And some, are these, I'm not sure if they're Madeleines or not, but it even says happy anniversary. That's lovely. What a nice touch. So when we came in, and they gave us a beautiful lei, and love it, double sink, beautiful bathtub. So this is really nice. Very, very nice indeed.
All right, it doesn't get much better than this. Korean food, takeaway, whilst watching the sunset in Hawaii.
So after dinner, we went to Hermes to visit Joyo, and yes, you guys know I did score, but what I didn't show you is that I was offered this beautiful Ruli bag, and it was in my favorite exotic skin, lizard. How gorgeous is it? But I declined it because I did get offered, as you guys would know, because I did reveal this in my Christmas unboxing, this beautiful Constance in ostrich. If you want to see the other two bags I got, I will link the video here. But it was a great night, and I definitely had a very fruitful trip to Hermes. Good morning, my loves. So we had a little bit of a sleep in this morning. It's about 10 a.m. now. And then I hear a ring on the doorbell, and I'm like, okay, we didn't order any room service or anything or brekkie. And then this beautiful bunch of flowers is there. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you now. So here is the bouquet of flowers. Aren't they pretty? So today we're going to have a bit of a fun day, because what we're doing is we're sort of recreating what we did 25 years ago. So first off is hubby and I are going to go find matching Hawaiian shirt and dress, or I'm not sure, but that's what we did back then. And then definitely have dinner at Denny's, because that's what we did back then as well. And then we'll see how we go. But yeah, just a very relaxing, casual day today. So let's go Hawaiian shirt shopping. Okay, let's check out Hawaii beachwear and fashion. This looks like a huge store. And look, all the matching families. This is kind of fun. Purple? I doubt hubby would pick a purple shirt though. So they also had Hawaiian pants or matching pants set like that. This store, they had so much stock. The prices were really, really good, probably like under 50 USD, but a lot of their range was not made in Hawaii. Okay, let's try Avanti Hawaii. Even though the other store had a lot of range, we prefer to get Hawaiian shirts made in Hawaii. So let's see if we can find something here. Yeah, this store looks a lot better. So this store is actually very popular with the celebrities. Along the walls, there are pictures of various celebrities wearing their shirts, from Bruno Mars to Ronnie Chieng, Jason Momoa. So we thought that was really cool. Okay, first up is this one with all the palm trees. I didn't mind this halter-neck style. I asked hubby, but he was a thumbs down. So let's try the next one. So the next one was this darker navy based floral, also very cute. I think this one might be a maybe. Okay, on to the third one. Now this one is a little bit different from the traditional Hawaiian shirt. This one features dragons, so a little bit different. I'm not 100% sure on this one. Now this set was actually really fun. So this was a Hawaiian shirt and pants set. I really liked it with the red because last time we also chose red. So this one is definitely a possibility. And then this one was a little bit more abstract. I really like the muted colors in that. What do you guys think of this set? Guys, I didn't press record, but obviously we finished our lunch. We're at King of Thai Boat Noodles and it's very authentic Thai food. We went for the pad Thai, which obviously I had, and then hubby had this special Thai boat noodles. So it was really good. So many options, guys. I think what I'll do is I'll get hubby to pick the print he likes best, and then I'll try and find the matching one.
Check out these Hawaiian shirts. What I like about them is they're actually made here right in Hawaii. So might have a look for myself to see what is cool.
Is this matching blue one? What do you think, Hubs? Turn to the front.
I don't mind this one.
I don't mind this one. It's definitely very Hawaiian, right? Next was this black printed one, which was okay. We liked the blue one better. And then for a bit of color, this is a yellow set. Didn't love this one. It was a bit tight around the bust. And then hubby really liked this shirt, so I was lucky to find the matching dress. It's a little bit loose around the waist, but nothing a belt can't fix. Out of all the ones we tried on, which was your fave? Comment below. Hey guys, so this afternoon after lunch, we just kind of had a nap because we were so tired. And since Chanel is like right next door to the hotel, let's go check it out and I'll see if I'm allowed to vlog. I headed straight to check out their classic flaps, and they had heaps of colors and also some really cute styles. I actually have done a whole separate vlog, so I'll link that above if you were interested. But one thing I didn't show in that vlog was this really cute backpack. I don't know what's with me now. I really like backpacks, and this one was just so adorable. So I think what we might do now is go check out Dior very briefly, and then we're gonna get changed and maybe go to Denny's.
Yeah, where it all started.
Yeah, where it all started. But yeah, we're just killing a little bit of time now. So let's just go check out this new Dior. So the last time this Dior wasn't here. So let's go check this store out. I don't know if I can vlog, but it looks like a really nice store. Okay, let's check out the men's section. I quite like that Dior 8 belt bag. And of course, this is a classic, the Weekender. I like how the Dior's embossed on the bag, whether it's the messenger bag or the carry-all. It also looks really nice on the backpack. And then here are some of their SLGs with the classic monogram logo. Of course, all over logo in the canvas print. And yeah, but hubby's not too keen on a lot of logos, but I didn't mind that one. Of course, this little Dior saddle messenger bag was cute as well. But hubby wanted to take a look at some of their shoes. These slides are quite nice. Not the one with the canvas. I think that might be too logo-y for him, but the black is at least a little bit more subtle. He always likes loafers, but again, I think those might be a bit loud for him. The caramel pair was okay. These blue pair is probably more him, but he didn't love it. And then moving on to the women's section, I love this Dior Canard jacket. I think that's very classy, very Dior. And they had the matching skirt and some other classic pieces. The women's sneakers are always very popular, and I think these are super duper cute. But I was most excited to find this Lady Dior because it was in touch. The handles are in alligator, as you can see, but of course I am drawn to the lizard versions. These three in particular caught my eye. As you guys know, lizard is my favorite exotic leather. And here I am trying the small Lady Dior in a cream lizard. This was very, very pretty. And also the one in sage green was gorgeous as well. This is just a close-up picture of it. It is divine. Hey guys, so you saw us going shopping and this is the one we ended up picking. So now we're heading to Denny's, since that's the restaurant we went to 25 years ago. And it's windy tonight. And as you can see, picked this one and Hubs. Look, you see,
You like it?
We are matching. It's just for a bit of fun, but yeah, we actually found one we both quite liked. Both of them are made in Hawaii, and yeah, just taking a trip down memory lane. I mean, we've been to Denny's before, and maybe the last trip, maybe the trip before, but it's just nice to recreate what we did 25
For the memories.
years.
For the memories.
Yeah, for the memories. So I'll vlog more when we get to Denny's. Let's check out what we want to eat at Denny's.
Okay, so I got the bourbon chicken on a sizzling plate.
Bourbon chicken on a sizzling plate, just in case it's too loud. How is it, Hubs?
Nice.
It's nice. And then I got the double cheeseburger.
Take a bite of your burger, or you're gonna use cutlery?
I'm going to use cutlery, I think.
Looks nice.
Good morning, my love. So today is our final full day in Hawaii. What a beautiful day. So in the morning, I went to Chanel, and I've already done that vlog. And as you would know, I did pick up a beautiful bag, had a great experience. So now we're off to lunch. Quick little stop for lunch at Royal Lobster. It's just lobster on brioche. Let's try it. Hubby, you want to try?
I like this beer too.
Oh yeah.
Golden ale, it's nice.
Big wave beer. Beer and lobster. We've got Hubby's got a dinner planned tonight, so we don't want to eat too much, but how is it?
Nice.
Really good? Okay, I'm gonna dig in. So after lunch, we just went back to the hotel and relaxed, had a quick dip in the pool before getting ready for dinner. But before dinner, we went to visit Joyo one more time, and it was lovely because he had organized some champagne for us to celebrate our anniversary. So if you guys are heading to Hawaii, I highly recommend Joyo. I will leave his details down below. One new bag that he did show me was this, and it's called the Sepengo Anchor Clutch Bag. It was super interesting and it was really well priced. And it's a decent length, it's about 18 centimeters in length. And I can foresee people doing hacks to this because you definitely could put a chain to it and make it a bag. But I didn't end up buying it because I've already done a lot of damage in Hermes. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it above. So after Hermes, we are now walking to dinner, and I spotted the cutest Miffy with the surfboard. So of course I had to stop. I'm such a sucker for Miffy.
Okay, so we've just arrived at High's for our 25th wedding anniversary dinner. And we felt like something we hadn't had before, and I heard this place is great for its steak and it's more traditional. So let's go on in. So this is the escargot, and they've got a kind of cheesy garlic topping over the escargot, served with in-house ciabatta. That looks beautiful.
All right, the next entree, we got the soup du jour, which is a parsnip soup. It's got some porcini mushroom, homemade ciabatta bread, and some kale. Hubs, you want to have a try?
Sure.
quite thick. Nice.
Very nice.
So far the service has been top notch. This restaurant's called Highs and it's been around for like 50 years and it is a packed house tonight.
How's it going so far?
The parsnip soup was so good. And my little cocktail was really good too. I'm nearly finished.
So we are trying their beef Wellington. It looks perfectly cooked. Comes with some mash and some vegetables. And this is a truffle demi-glaze to go with the beef.
I actually haven't had beef Wellington before.
Good. They will start here with some butter, brown sugar, and a little bit of lemon. Just a small pinch. just a tiny bit. Here we have apple that we soak in apple juice. A little bit of cinnamon here as well. Some bread. Apple cinnamon syrup. We're gonna top it off with nutmeg, shuso made with nutmeg, cinnamon, flour, and butter.
Oh wow.
Because we can. And it is our 25th anniversary. Happy anniversary.
Thank you so much. We saw the making of the apple strudel.
Flambe style.
Flambe style. And they've got our happy 25th. Is it hot?
No.
No. I can't even taste the brandy. I thought the apple would be cooked down more, but it's like still crispy. Yeah. So that is it for this vlog, guys. Can't believe a week went by so quick. Hubby and I had a great time. We especially loved going to Hawaii, and of course we love Honolulu. So if you enjoyed this vlog, give it a thumbs up and I will see you in my next video. Bye!